Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to talk about the limited purchases on Louis Vuitton. Actually, I didn't know that it was a thing. They told me that it was since 2019 that they've implemented it. So when I came to get this item here, they told me that I was not able to purchase anything, or I cannot purchase anything at all because I've already bought like I think 7 or 8 items within the 2 months period, if I'm not mistaken. And so I went to two boutiques actually to try this bag on. So let me just unbox this first and see at least what's inside. Actually, this is for a client from a personal shopping service at Teddy Locks on Instagram. And so let me unbox it. It came with a huge paper bag as always. Louis Vuitton paper bag. Okay, doesn't fit on a frame. And receipt. We have the receipt here. It hasn't done the price increase yet, so in Europe it's still at 1,900 euros. I think probably in June they said it's probably revised. No, how do you call that? Provisioned a price increase. Some perfume samples from Louis Vuitton. And so let's do the unboxing. Nicely wrapped. Magnetic closure. And the dust bag. Any guesses for what this bag is? The shape? I mean, it's on the receipt, so probably you already know. It's probably gonna be on the title too. So this is the Louis Vuitton on the go size in the reverse monogram. So you have the reverse monogram here, and on the sides right there with this smaller monogram. The back has the brown side and on the sides too. So you probably already seen this bag so many times. The interior is just red lining and some hook and the Louis Vuitton embossing. So that is the interior of the bag. It's made in Italy, purchased in Italy and made in Italy. So I'm gonna try and insert a clip of me trying it in the store. I actually tried it in two different stores. I first went to the main huge store in Rome, which is the one in San Lorenzo, and they didn't have it, so they told me to go to the other store, which is in Via Condotti, and I was able to find it there. But then when I was about to pay, they just told me that I was not able to purchase the bag. They basically declined me, and that I cannot, purchase the bag because I've bought at least 7 or 8 items already. As I mentioned, within 2 months. So they even showed me so I went to the other store on the third one, and I was able to find it again. Still really good condition. There was no flaws or anything. Again, I was able about to pay, and they declined me to sell the item. So that was really embarrassing. I mean, I was already there with my money and credit card. I had cash and I had credit card, and they didn't want me to purchase it. So that was the story of how I got declined and that I didn't know how what was going on. So apparently they explained to me that you could only purchase maximum 5 items actually. So I'm not sure how it happened that I was able to purchase, like, I think I was able to purchase 7 or 8. I'm not sure. And they told me that it was probably the colleague that didn't check properly, but they said both of the essays that I spoke to in both boutiques, they told me that they didn't want to like risk getting, you know, fired from the job or getting checked by the manager or something. So they were like, "I'm so sorry. I'm not able to sell you this handbag here." And so, in both stores, I said, "Okay, no problem." But I was one of the essays on the third store. She suggested me to maybe use my friend's or family's account that I can buy online as well. Which what I did with the what's the name of this Victorine wallet. So with this wallet, I was able to buy it online. I think this is from my profile. Yeah, I tried to buy this too online with my profile, but it was not confirmed. It was processing. So I had that problem before using a non-European credit card. So I know that it's not gonna be. There was no charge or anything on my card, so I know it was not. How do you call it? It was not confirmed. So I immediately just deleted this one and then tried to check this one out from my cart, and it works. I got the email immediately, and yeah, I think I bought this from my own profile. But the on the go, I was able to ask my friend to buy it for me. We had a coffee date. Was probably the next day that I was at the store, because they only had two, one at the second store and then one at the third store, so 2 pieces of this bag available, so I had to go back the next day. Yeah, so at the end I was able to buy for my clients. These are for this both of these items are for a client, so I'm really happy that I was able to source it for them. And so yeah, I'm not sure how it works in your country or in the US or in Australia or other places in the world, but apparently that is how Louis Vuitton is now. And I'm really thinking that they're just trying to be Hermes, trying to be exclusive like Hermes, but the sad thing is their quality is not as good as Hermes or even Chanel. So I think Chanel already has the limit purchase. I'm not sure how many per bag. And so Louis Vuitton is trying as well. So good luck to that for them. I hope it works out. And this is a really nice bag. I think this is probably my style too, so I'm thinking of getting one for myself, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. Probably will, but stay tuned on my videos. I think I'm gonna try it online or ask my friend again to buy it for me. Also, I forgot to mention, you can, because I pre-ordered the Emily wallet as well. And yeah, I already got it for another client before, and they told me that I cannot purchase the same wallet, the same design twice. I'm not sure if it's within 6 months or within a time period, but um, they told me that I cannot purchase the same wallet or same item twice. So I had my friend that was already there um, order it for me with her profile, and I paid for it obviously, and they told me I can collect it. I just need to present the receipt and the email. So I'm going on Monday to try and pick it up. So yeah, let me know guys if this is the same situation in your hometown. If it's something that you're not that you do not agree, I mean, we can't really do anything even if we agree or not. It's their terms and conditions. By the way, they also showed me what's the name of that? In the offices they have like the name and the position, blah blah blah. It's like sitting there, and they showed me it's kind of like rules of, I don't know, purchase or selling, I don't know. But yeah, they showed me it's written there. So I guess so that people can't agree or argue. And yeah, that is how the story of how I was able to pick up this item anyway. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and definitely let me know down the comments on what you feel about this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.